In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect Chatgpt to Make.com, covering the basics. To start with, you'll need to open a web browser and head over to Make.com. This is a fantastic platform that allows you to automate tasks by connecting various apps, making your work much more efficient and streamlined. Once you're on the Make.com homepage, look for the Sign In button. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to create one. Signing in will take you to your personal dashboard, known as the Make Home. This is where you can start creating new automation scenarios that fit your workflow needs. After signing in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here's where the creative part comes in. You'll see a tab labeled New Scenario. This is the hub for building your new automation structure. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page with several prompts and options. The process is designed to be intuitive, so don't worry if it's your first time. You'll find it straightforward. Next, look for the Add button to proceed inside your new scenario. Clicking on Add will allow you to start piecing together the automation process. From here, you'll want to search for Chatgpt specifically. This step is crucial as it will allow you to integrate the capabilities of Chatgpt into your scenario within Make.com. Typing Chatgpt into the search bar will yield results related to integrating this tool, making it accessible from within your automation scenario. Keep in mind that the goal here is to create synergy between Chatgpt and other applications you may be using. This integration can enable you to automate responses, process language-based queries, or even enrich your data analysis activities. The possibilities are vast, depending on how you choose to configure and connect Chatgpt within your workflow. Finally, remember that this setup is the foundation for more complex automations. As you become more familiar with Make.com, you'll likely discover new ways to integrate and utilize Chatgpt alongside many other apps. Feel free to explore the different tools and options within your scenario settings. Each exploration can lead to discovering new efficiencies and improving the integration between your applications. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and connected Chatgpt to Make.com, enabling you to harness the power of automation more effectively in your daily tasks. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more how-to content. Until next time, happy automating!